Hey there, students. I thought I would give you a directional video for Chapter 4. When you get into your Social Studies folder, you'll click on the red folder, Chapter 4, Ojibwe. And inside of your folder, you will see the Northern Lights. This is your Northern Lights Chapter 4. So you'll want to first click on this and upload this into Notability. And then your assignment is actually a Google document. So when you click on Chapter 4 Ojibwe Notes, you're going to want to click. It'll bring you here. You remember how you have this little embed button where you can either click here or you can click right directly on Chapter 4 Ojibwe Notes. This screen will pop up and you're going to want to make a copy. So you'll click there. And that'll directly bring you to a document that looks like this. When you see this document up at the top, you're able to change the name. So instead of copy of, you could write your name here. So I'll put Olson dash Ojibwe versus Dakota. So now when it saves, it'll save it under your name. Next, you are going to go through the document, and after you've changed your name at the top, you'll go through the document, and you are going to use this alongside Chapter 4. So the first thing you'll notice is that this assignment is split into 4 columns. Our whole goal by the end of reading Chapter 4 is to be able to take Chapter 3, which was about the Dakotas, and compare them to the Ojibwe culture. And we are going to be looking for the entire time similarities and differences between the two cultures, the Dakota and the Ojibwe. So you'll notice on the first column, you'll see all topics or big ideas. So this is just going to point out to you as you are going through what big idea you're looking for. So you'll notice the first one is, for example, shelter. That's your topic or big idea. In the second column, there is a video for you to watch. There's either a video or it is just an online website. In this case, this is a video, so you'll click on that, you'll watch the video. And in the third column, you'll open up to page 52 in your Northern Lights book. You'll read page 52, and then you'll be thinking about taking notes in this square. Notice in a Google Doc, you can click and open it up and you can type here and you can keep adding, and then that square will get bigger. So no worries, you can take as many notes as you would like in this column here. And you're going to be thinking about, as you read page 52 and after watching the video, you're thinking about the Ojibwe wigwams. And so the Ojibwe built wigwams. They're more permanent houses with round frames, and these frames were made of birch bark called wigwas. So thinking about that, I want you to think about how that compares to the Dakota. So what were the Dakota shelters like in comparison to the wigwams that you notice in Chapter 4 when dealing with the Ojibwe? The second one, for example, I'll just do one more just to walk you through. The second one is location. So you'll watch this migration of the Ojibwe. You'll read page 52 again in your Northern Lights book, and you'll be answering the question of where in Minnesota did the Ojibwe move to? So type your answer here, and then be thinking about and typing your answer in this fourth column of where were the Dakotas located in Minnesota, and be thinking about, do you notice any similarities or differences between their location? When you are done, you will not upload this Google Doc, but you will hold on to it because these are your notes that you will use to take the assessment that will be given later on this week.